Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Corey Does Reviews, except for today I'm not really doing a review per se. It's more of a demonstration of one of my passions, which, if you don't really know me, I collect typewriters, one of the many things that I hoard. Books, VHS, DVD, records, typewriters, although they're a lot more harder to store than your DVD like that shelf over there. Okay, come on upstairs and I'll show you what I found in the closet yesterday.
Okay.
So this is my wife's grandfather's bedroom. He's since been moved into an assisted living, but we were going through his closet yesterday. This is one of my daily use machines. This is an Olympia SM9 manual typewriter. It's powered by your fingertips. It's got springs that set the tension and you can type a letter. Some stationery that I got at the thrift shop that I've been using for a year now. I had a huge pile of it. So this one over here is also an Olympia that I found in the closet. But this one is neat because it's an Olympiette electric, which means you don't really have to push very hard. The keys are very sensitive to the finger touch. And I was going through my closet and I also found the new ribbon because I tried it out yesterday and it does work, but the ribbon's just a little dry. In another video, we'll do a review of it, demonstration purposes. Maybe a year or so ago, I did a video of me just typing a letter with no narration or anything, just so you could see. So that's it, folks. I highly recommend personal correspondence. Nothing is more exciting than getting a letter that someone took the time out of their busy day to send in the mail. I'm passionate about it. Typewritten letter, handwritten letter, whatever method you prefer. Get out there, keep in touch, not just through text and email and social media. It's more exciting to have a physical copy to store forever in a shoebox or whatever filing system you may have. Talk to you later.